Welcome aboard a 2019 Azimut 55 Fly. If you're looking for a luxury motor yacht for great weekend getaways and unbelievable entertainment, this boat checks all those boxes. But what sets this 2019 Azimut 55 apart from everything in the market? Captain oversight, well-maintained records, and verified maintenance. This makes it the best option on the market today. Let's check it out. Thanks again for checking out this 2019 Azimut 55 Fly, now for sale here in Tampa, Florida. And if you're looking for a well-maintained and record-verified vessel just like this one, please reach out to me for expert advice before you buy.